To switch on the glove, we just quickly press the button on the top of the glove. You will see a red LED that indicates that the glove is in stop mode. To put it in active mode, we just double press the button and the light will become green. The available gestures are forward gesture, backward gesture, tilt and right gesture, tilt and left gesture. And the three available finger movements are as follows. This is a thumb bend. This is an index finger bending. And a middle finger bending. And you can also shake the hand to deactivate or to put the glove in stop mode. To turn the glove off, just press and hold for 2 seconds until the LED goes off.